Hello students, a very warm welcome to you. Today we are doing another topic, that is prepositions. This is another important topic of grammar. Before you start listening to this video, I want you to have your textbooks open and a pencil in your hand. Along with listening to the video, it is very important that you also keep one eye on the textbook. The textbook has given a very complete idea about the list of prepositions, how prepositions are used. So let us begin. What do they mean by prepositions? Prepositions show us a place of the noun. Basically, when we were small, like how I used to explain in the younger standards, where is a particular noun located? My book is under the table. So where is your book placed? Under the table. So under is the preposition. The position or the place of your book is termed as a preposition. Let us see. A preposition is a word placed before a noun or a pronoun to show the relation of a person or a thing. The relation, where, how, that is what we term as preposition. Now, some prepositions show place. Like I explained, I give you an example. My book is under the table. The cat is behind the chair. There is dirt over the fan. So, over, under, behind, around, in front of. All this is what? Place. It is showing you a place. So, these are called prepositions which show place, and a list is given in your textbook. The list is very concise. That is why before beginning of the video I told you, please keep your textbook open also when you listen to it. Now we have some prepositions show time. Time. She came when? After midnight. Or I got presents when? On my birthday. So on, after. These are all prepositions of time. They suggest the time. Some show direction, movement, and others. Direction. He was talking about me. Come for breakfast. For, about. These are the words which show direction. So they are prepositions. Here you don't have to separate or segregate the types of prepositions, but I am explaining it to you so that you know that there are different types of prepositions. Like when we were doing adverbs, you have adverb of time, adverb of place. Prepositions, we don't have to separate or segregate them like we did for adverbs or adjectives. Only for your understanding, we have separated them as prepositions of place, prepositions of time, and some prepositions which show direction and others. Okay. Some are special prepositions when we have words by, with, after, in, and I have given you the examples. Drawing was done by Tara, with paint brushes. So by and with, I have used both the prepositions in one sentence. After, in. She came after an hour, but had promised to be there in 15 minutes. After, be there in 15 minutes. So I have used again both these words, which are prepositions, based on how they are used in the sentence. On time. See now, again very important. There is a difference between on time and in time. Both, if you just look at it, they mean the same. But there is a minor difference between on time and in time. We were on time, means just on time, right at the correct time. That is the meaning of on time for the meeting. We reached school in time for the meeting. Means we were at a safe time. We were not late. So very tiny difference between the two words, but they have to be used differently. This is what is very important in prepositions. Students, your textbooks open to page number 37. Please listen to the video. Keep a pencil in your hand. The basics I have explained. You can also read them again in your textbook. Do exercise 1, 2, 3. If you don't do, it's perfectly alright. We are omitting exercise 3. Then exercise 4. Then they have given you types of prepositions. Already explained the types of prepositions. And you will do exercise 5. And that completes the whole chapter of prepositions. Please do these exercises on your own. Don't copy the answers. It's comparatively much simpler. This lesson is much simpler than the other lessons. Just you need to listen to the video 2 times. Read your textbook once with all the important points that they give you in the textbook and try and solve the exercises. You can solve once with pencil in your textbook, but it is compulsory to write the exercises in your notebook. So I hope you will finish your work on time. See you soon.